Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Bree from With Love Bree, and today I have a design team unpackaging from ScrapDiva Designs. I will make sure to leave Erica's shop link down below, as well as her Instagram. You guys have to check her out. I've shared her dies a couple times prior to this video, and I've also done a project share and some tutorials as well. So again, I will make sure to have her shop link down below for you guys. She went ahead and she sent me another design team project, or a design team package for me to unbox. So I thought I would go ahead and try to get this out so I can start working on some stuff. I know it's been a while since I've last posted. I think the last thing that I posted was an unboxing from a swap partner, and that video was already out late. I had it in my need to edit video or folder for like a good almost like a whole month. If you guys haven't seen my community page, you guys know, or well, I guess if you have seen my community page, you know what has been going on with my life, which is why I haven't been posting lately, and it's just been really rough. But I think I have now gotten a little bit of the energy to come back on and record and edit. So let me go ahead and just hop into this. Like I said, I haven't been on social media or anything for a while now, and so I am unsure of what is new in her shop, and so I'm actually pretty excited because she did say she had some new stuff coming in. That's Kalea. So I'm so excited, and I cannot wait to see what she has sent me this time around. This is all literally brand new to me too. Okay. And I do have a couple other like haul videos that I need to record. So okay, let's start with the smaller dies. It's a couple of, looks like Christmas dies. So this one right here is baking related, and they're actually confetti dies. And how cute would this be for some Christmas baking themed stuff? And I'm actually close and personal today. Normally I'm zoomed out, but because I was like, I need to record this while the baby's asleep, I pushed everything aside. So literally everything around is just a mess. And I made a little bit of space for me to record this. So anyway, you get some mittens, and you actually get them, you know, reverse. So you have one, you have them both for the left and the right hand. And then you also get a bunch of these cute rolling pins. And then on the back, there are some charcuterie boards and the little chef's hat. And if you guys haven't seen my baking themed project shares, I will make sure to link it down below. I have a playlist so you guys can see those. You guys can use these on there. And what's cool about these is if you're making small like baking tags or embellishments, you can even use these as little like embellishment pieces or like die cuts. So that's really cute. And you know, if you die cut a bunch of these at different colors and stuff, you can set them into an organizer, so that way you can have them always like ready to use if you don't use them as confetti pieces. So that's that. And then she also has this really pretty snowflake die. Like, how pretty is this snowflake right here? And you have two other sizes, and I think these would be perfect on some rosettes. So those are going to be really fun. I can't wait to work with some Christmas stuff. I was hoping that it was going to be somewhat like holiday themed, because your girl is definitely ready to do some holiday crafting. So hopefully I can get some of that done, but I definitely will be having some project shares out using these dies. And then she has some larger dies as well. So this one right here is, I think this is like a little gift box die. I will make sure to have it on the screen here. I'll look online, but it looks like a box die, like a packaging die, and it has some labels here so you can make some little tags. There's a layering piece right here, and then there's this label right here. It might be like one of those, because it looks like this is like those little labels. Yeah, so like I said, I will make sure to have a the name of it on the screen, and then I will also try and do a process video of me making this one, since I don't even know what it is. So it'd be really fun for us to put this one together. And then this one looks like a milk carton die. So this is, you know, you can gift some things in here. Yeah, milk carton die. It has to be because of the way this looks. So in here there is Christmas magic. That is cute. There's treats. You even get a bow die. So you have the stitched bow, you have the layering pieces, so the layering part is the stitched part. You even get some labels. I love this about her dies. She always includes like all these extras. And then there's joy. She even includes this little closure piece that goes on the top. That's a scallop, so you can even make it kind of look like a house. And it does cut out a window, so you can make a shaker. And this is the part that you can use to create the shaker. You can use this for the acetate piece. So there's that. Okay, and then this one, ooh, this is a huge die. I think this might be for like albums maybe? Oh, recipe cards. It looks like this is like a recipe card. So this looks like it could be a recipe card. You can definitely make a box out of this, but it's an oven. Like, look how large this oven is. And like I said, I don't really do baking projects, so when I get these from her, it definitely opens up my, you know, like, I guess, imagination and creativity. And most of these go either to my mom, or I just put them in my bin of design team stuff that I make. But it even comes with, like, little vegetables. You get the mixing bowl, a chef's hat. That's cute. And what are these? Buttons. These are for the buttons on here. The little stove. So I definitely will do a project share on these, but you can definitely do a Christmas recipe box. So I think that's what I'm going to do with this. And y'all, I ate some Chick-fil-A and my stomach's still over here grumbling. It's talking to me right now. I don't know. I literally ate though, right before I recorded this. Okay. And then here are some Christmas tags, and it looks like it's actually one that you can fold in half. You can even make a card. So there are, again, a bunch of snowflakes, and this one right here you can fold in half. So you can make a cute little folded gift tag. So if you like hang it onto a gift bag or put it on a present, you could put a note in the inside. So I can't wait to create with these. If you guys know me, y'all already know I love making tags. And again, she's included some different kinds of bows. So these are going to be really fun to work with. This is like a doily like tag, and then this is a layering piece, and it does punch out little stars in the corner. But this is going to be really fun to use. So I can't wait to work with these. Again, like I said, I'll try to do, you know, a tutorial on this one right here, since I also don't know what it is. I think it'd be fun to do one. And I will make sure to have project shares showing you guys me using these. They're probably going to be, even though these aren't really, you know, some of these aren't Christmas related, I'm going to do them for Christmas. Just because I just think that, you know, recipes, holiday recipes, and this can go with this die as well, or I could probably do something else with that. So I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this unboxing. I am so thankful for her for sending me these items. Thank you so much, Erica, for sending me these. I can't wait to play and show you guys what I create with them. But I hope that you guys have a great day, whatever day it is that y'all are watching this, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.